Is this? What kind of a slowdown are you going to get? A low, long, languid slowdown or a recession? Come here. Larry Summers. He has pivoted in the space of 6 to 9 weeks. He now says there's a real risk of a recession in 2022. The question you need to ask yourself from a market's perspective, has the equity market already discounted that with 1.8 trillion wiped out on consumer discretionary? Has the bond markets further to go in terms of a drop in yield? Certainly the bond markets this morning and commodity markets both under pressure. You can see here Aussie rates down by 7 basis points and commodity complex also coming aggressively lower. Iron ore, copper. Goldman Sachs had a huge note out this morning talking about the mini recession they saw in China in April time. The path of least resistance on iron ore is down to $90. Hedge funds, they are cutting their bets in terms of wanting to be long commodities. Copper's at the 17-month low. So the commodity complex and the rates complex are both very firmly in this trajectory of what happens next from a recession point of view. To the 10-year government bond markets, you can see here, we have rolled over. We're sub 3%. So the bond vigilantes have been driven into retreat. The debate then comes to terminal rates. The terminal rate. Will the Fed continue to front load in July and through the rest of this year? But the terminal rate gets pulled forward to the middle of next year and tops out at 4%. Liquidity. It's all very good piling in, but what if you can't get out? That's the critical issue. The Treasury liquidity gauge is now near the worst level since 2020. And that gauge is something that Mohamed El-Erian warns very, very clearly about. I leave you with a thought on the oil markets. JP Morgan have a note out. If Russia switch off the taps of 5 million barrels of oil a day, $380 a barrel. Go think.